News 15 Investigates uncovers a key funding cut in President Trump's big, beautiful bill. That budget measure passed in the Senate today by the narrowest of margins.
We've learned as many as 33 rural hospitals in Louisiana, including at least 4 right here in Acadiana, are in danger of closing because of cuts to Medicaid that are contained in that bill. One of those hospitals potentially on the chopping block is Iberia Medical Center in New Iberia. That's because the bill would cut billions of dollars in healthcare spending. The loss of that funding could gut many rural hospitals that disproportionately rely on federal spending. In fact, News 15 Investigates has found Louisiana would have the second highest number of hospitals impacted in the bill if it becomes law. We've learned the first thing hospitals will do is cut services before they close their facilities.
One of the most expensive services is OBGYN services. So if a hospital doesn't have that, are you going to have young people moving in who want to start a family? Well, no, because the hospital doesn't have those services. But even more than that, people are employed by these rural hospitals. You have people who are part of that community. And once that hospital closes, you have that kind of central community that's lost, and there are no real institutions to be able to replace that. And so that's kind of the biggest thing, is that the rural hospital closures lead to a community decline, not just healthcare in individual or households.
While the U.S. Senate narrowly approved these cuts today, the bill still has to be adopted by the House. Republicans have a razor-thin House majority, and some members are already raising objections to the legislation, which could deal a devastating blow to rural health care.